Welcome to RT Wonders YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you one of the legit Telegram airdrop that will pay in 2025, just like how dog airdrop pay in 2024. So without much wasted time, let's head over to Telegram. So what I have to do is, this is my Telegram app. So I'll open my Telegram app. So I'll wait for it to load. So when you finish loading, click on the search bar, then you type drop DROPEE. Yes, so drop, the one that comes at the top. So what you have to do is, you just click on it. When you click on it, it will bring you to this interface. After that, you click on play. You click on play. So when you click on play, you see that they have asked me to click, because I've been doing it. That's why. So you see 3.9 million you have collected profit while you were away. So I'll just click. So when I finish clean, what I have to do is that, you see that I'm still at home. So I will begin tapping. This one is just similar to hamster combat, but this one is very different. It's different from hamster combat. This one is going to pay. It's going to pay in 2025. So you have to do it. So this is it. I've finished tapping. So I can come to improve. So with the improve, I will try and improve cars. I can improve any cars that I like. But most of the time, what I do is that I do improve cars that are having less points. I think. Yes, I'm doing it. So the reason why I'm doing it is that these are the ones that are having the less points. I'm now upgrading them so I can do as many I want. So you see that after I've upgraded 3 cars, they have given me a free spin. As you see, they have given me a free spin. So when I finish, I can click on this Christmas boss. Let's see here. So this is the spin. So I'll just click on the spin to see what will happen. So boom, 70 million points or 70 million drop. Yes. So when I finish, I'll just click on quit, then daily check-in. So these are the tasks that you are required to do. When you finish completing a task, they will give you a reward. So what I have to do is that I will click on the daily check-in. So claim 5 spin. So I'll claim it. You see, I've claimed. Then I'll go back. Then I'll click on quit again. Then they ask me to improve cars. So I will improve 3 cars. You can improve any of the cars that you want, but I want to improve the cars with smaller amount. So you see that 1.6k. I will improve this one, and then I will improve this one. As for the cars, you can upgrade the one that you like. Then when I finish, you see that after I improve the 3 cars, they have given me 56.4 million. So I'll click on claim again. So another tax is what? Tap for 4750 point. So I'll just be tapping this Christmas easy head or whatever. So you click on it, you tap. It's just like the combat, what's the name? The hamster combat, but this one is different. This one is going to pay, guys. I won't lie to you. You see that it's not complete. So I'll still tap on it. So you see, I'll claim. Then I'll come in. They say poke one friend. I'll click on it. Then I'll poke any of the friend. Then go back. Then come to quiz again. I'll claim. Then they ask me to spin. So I will spin. Wow. So this is what I want. Yeah, so you want 4 million point. So you see that the spinning, there are different rewards here. I've done it and I've got 9.25. yes, I can withdraw this bar. You see what? Withdraw available over. So unless it is 10 before I can withdraw, so I have to go back. Then I'll click. Then it's a question of the day. What I mostly do is that I will just go to YouTube, then ask question of the day for drop Telegram airdrop, then they will give it to you. So these are some of the tasks that you can perform. You see, refer 3 friends. I'll refer the 3 friends already. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that subscription button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.